Hey, y'all. Hey, this might be our last moments.
Man,
we're gonna see what
shit ain't
about
haunted. Shut up.
Hey, see, it's always that one doubter. Like, nah, he's not a killer. Like, let's let him in the house. Like, no, bro, he's the killer.
Nah,
it's always that one person.
Weezy started with a penny that was wrapped up to $1 million. Rapping niggas can't compare, they like my children. I know bitches.
Hey, y'all, what's the deal?
Straight on your ass.
Hey, we about to hit up the Phase Rug Tunnel, bro. I'm low-key scared, but I'm a gangster at the same time. Hey, look, our first steps. So, scale of 1 to 10, you scared?
Man, it's 0. Come on.
All right, scale of 1 to 10.
I
Be
feel
you
like
scared?
a 6. I'm scared of a 6.
A 6? A 6?
I'm not a 6. We gotta go. This is a far drive out here to San Diego.
Look, you gotta show them.
These some brand new shoes.
Bro. Hey.
Damn, you came at the worst time.
Hey, B.
Hold on.
Nigga, it's dark as shit.
Oh, what's that noise?
Hold on. I think I'm hearing people and shut up. I can't see shit. It's just dark.
Hey.
Cooley, you go first. You got the camera. At least if anything happen, you can throw that bitch.
Hey,
Come
Tay.
on.
Tay. Hey, what's he talking about? I talking about on a scale of 1 to 10. He talking about 0. Let's go.
But I can't see.
It's dark. You gotta turn on the flashlight.
Y'all wanna know?
You gotta go first.
I'm on live.
Y'all wanna go get some? We go to Walmart. Go get some boots and a flashlight.
Some boots. That nigga said boots.
Some rain boots.
Your phone.
I can't
Come
see.
on.
Go ahead.
I gotta pee.
I gotta pee too.
Bro, we didn't come all the way over here for nothing.
Echo. That's a long tunnel. That is a long.
Come on, y'all.
I'm not going first.
Hold on. Turn on your flash, bro. I can walk in there. It's dark.
Okay, because I'm on FaceTime right now. You on
I'm
live?
live.
Yeah, you got the phone.
You not live.
I got 2 phones.
Yeah.
I
Let me get
can't
the
prepare.
phone. Let me turn on the flash.
You better start praying.
Turn on the prime.
So my thing is, bro, y'all niggas didn't go buy flashlights?
Hey, this
We
the
got
same thing I
phones.
said.
2020.
Bro,
Well, I don't
Here.
see no eyes or nothing.
we just gonna do this.
No, real deal. Only feel, man.
I said let's go get flashlights.
Bro, here. Give me
No,
your
bro,
phone.
we about, this flash ain't good enough.
Bro, here. Give me your other phone.
Come on. We out here thugging.
Bro. Yo, flash. Hold on.
The flash ain't flash enough.
The flash ain't flashing. Ain't bright enough. B, what are you doing?
I ain't want it, bro. Nah, like,
Bro, I'm not about to play with y'all, bro. We about to go get some
Bro.
flashlights. We
Yeah.
gonna come back.
Hey, it's real life dark as fuck. And this flash not doing shit.
Exactly. So we about to go to Walmart, go get some flashlights, go get some gear, and we gonna come back ready and prepared.
See.
Come on, B, don't. Oh, B. You about to mess up the shoes.
Oh, God. I'm for sure not gonna mess up.
No lie, we might just go buy some shoes from Walmart too. Hey, so y'all already see this tunnel crazy dark. This just the start, bro. This just the start. We're gonna come back. And you know the crazy exactly. Oh my gosh. Bro, are we really scary or something? Alright, part 2, cause they was out there scared. Hey, we need flashlights.
Who is Dave? Stop saying
We,
Dave, bro.
we need flashlights. I'm
Hey, y'all some
scared.
weirdos.
For me, I'm out here thugging, man. I'm really from the trenches. Should I get Bertha?
Man, you supposed to be in here first on.
you tripping.
The hell?
Flashlight.
Bro, yeah, on me. I really hope these flashlights is. Oh my gosh. But oh, what was that?
Bro, you tripping.
In the
bro.
air.
Walk,
Yeah, you
Nothing up here. It's down there. Where the tunnel at?
Look, I'm about to go live too. Forget it. Oh my gosh, y'all. We out here.
We here now. We got the flashlights.
Flashlight going.
Let me see.
Yes.
We about to die, y'all.
We here now.
We made it to the tunnel. Let's go.
Damn.
My fault.
Parkour.
It's these damn flashlights.
Bro, what the heck? Hey, I need a flashlight. Somebody gotta use a flashlight for the camera.
Kev going first.
Bro, that flashlight not bright enough.
It's not.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, we tripping.
huh? He tripping. Let me see. I need a flashlight too for this. Oh,
That was dope.
we thugging. Hey, look, I'm gonna give y'all.
Ain't nothing down here for real. It's not even haunted. Oh, we chilling. Y'all walking kind of fast.
I can't even see.
I don't see the way out. We chilling.
Whoa, hey, Ken, what you just step on, bro? That's zombie ghoul.
I ain't stepping out there. Let's go. Let's keep moving. What this just say? Fuck. Who's Marco?
Hey, put the flashlight forward, bro, and stop playing.
You looking at landmarks and stuff. That can work. Something come out the walls.
Fuck Marco.
Oh.
That's it. 10 minutes in, right?
Yeah, hey, set a timer for 10 minutes.
8 minutes now.
Hey, come on, Kim. Y'all flashlight skills is terrible.
What are you talking about?
I can't see.
Bro, how we getting through all this?
That a bat?
Where?
Oh, don't say that. Shh. What's that at the top?
That's like the leak. We
B. Stop with that bullshit.
Let me see a light. I need a light for the camera.
look how dark. Hold on. Let me get in the middle there.
Bro, let me get in front.
But you see how dark that is?
All right, come on.
I got pork. Pause. My live got paused through the pork connection.
Come on, B. Walk.
Trying to make sure.
Bro, in the Yeezys, though, you feel me? I'm not
Hey, watch out here. Light. A little weak. Three.
Just come on, bro.
How long we staying in here?
I don't know.
Oh, there's something right there. B. Nah, I'm saying like the wall.
Hey, wait for me, man.
That's you. You gotta hurry up. You gotta squeeze through it.
I for sure got water on my head.
Bro, why?
I'm on timer.
Set your timer, bro.
Like 7 minutes now.
Alright, 5.
Alright, 5, yeah.
Man, 10 minutes. Starting now.
Bro, we already been walking for 3 minutes.
Bro, look at the end of the tunnel.
That's a lot of water.
Bro, we is out here. Hey, how y'all feel so far?
Hey, I'm good. We got the flashlight going.
Yeah, I'm chilling. We got, as long as I can see, I feel good.
All right, let me go first. I'm good. Bro, eyes forward. Bro, look how dark it is.
You just turn off your flashlight.
It just went out.
Turn around.
It went
Come
out.
on.
Turn around. That's the
Oh my gosh. Did y'all hear that?
Bro, what in the world? Ready? I don't think we gonna make it over there.
Well, let's go and find out.
That's a lot of water.
Oh my gosh.
I'm really black, so that's the end, bro.
Nah, this shit keep going.
But that's like what?
Now it's another little side. So we gotta jump across and go over. But I don't know if we're gonna do it.
Nah, I'm not doing
Come on.
Nah, bro, that was good.
We came all the way out here to San Diego. We gotta explore.
This is exploring. Exploring.
Bro, how y'all gonna do it?
A lot of people not.
What you mean?
This is my phone. Nah, because it's on my hand.
Oh,
Oh,
bro.
come on. Don't drop the camera either.
Oh, here, B. What?
Name me something. Oh, look, this the ladder.
I'm good.
I didn't peep that. Shut up.
You recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Get all this.
Yeah.
It's on the wall. You should have got a camera.
Yeah, we took Cali Bros for life. Are we good? I don't even think it's haunted no more.
30 seconds.
That's the. Hey, look! Y'all see that?
What?
2, turn back.
Oh, it said that? We chilling. It's not a haunted. They just.
What is that? Turn back, what?
Number 2, turn back.
We got 30 seconds left, so I mean.
Hey, come on, keep pushing.
Whoa.
Go where now?
Just keep on pushing in.
You walking kind of fast.
Oh, me? Calm down, bro. Hey, this how we get left, bro. For real.
That's K.
I'm trying to hit that corner there. I'm trying to hit that corner. It's hard to go.
So walk slow.
I'm trying to hit the corner first. Yeah, the time is coming up.
It went off, then we turned off.
Oh my gosh.
Something about we gotta turn around.
Oh.
The timer just went off, bro. We gotta turn around.
It's up to y'all. I don't
It's up to
care.
y'all.
Hey, you're recording too.
We can go. Yeah, I know. Oh, yeah, you're right.
How you holding it?
Let me just hit this corner and see what's down here.
Alright. I don't want nothing falling on my head.
You want to keep on going or what?
Timer went off. It's been 10 minutes to me.
It's for sure for 10 minutes.
Yeah, we could turn around. And
Yeah,
that's a
keep on
video.
going.
10 minutes is a video. that's all I'm
Yeah, fuck
saying.
it, let's go get this turn.
Alright, bet. You gotta
On
leave.
the extra mode, thumping and bumping.
Yeah.
Whatever the fuck.
Follow me, y'all.
No.
Indiana Cooley.
Indiana Cooley. What a fool. Oh, that's crazy down here.
Wait.
Bro,
Just in case something pop out.
I stay in the middle.
Hey, let me go first.
We running through this now.
Bro, hey, I need something.
Oh.
Hey, wait.
Hurry up, turn this shit to the front. Yeah, let's hurry get up out of here.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
We running through this. We out of here.
Hey, look, get me on camera, B. Hey, get me on camera. They didn't know I'm ready for this. Hey, I'm ready for this. At first, they was scared, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Talking about we need to go get flashlights. I said, I'm out here thugging.
You was the main
I am the flashlight.
one.
You feel me?
Talking about a flashlight.
Who purchased the flashlight? Because I ain't got no receipt.
I said the phones are gonna be cool. Did I not?
But you can't see no with the phones.
Oh,
I said it was gonna
God.
be cool though.
Oh my gosh, bro.
I said, let's go. Niggas wasn't with it.
Oh my gosh.
All of a sudden.
Bro,
Who drove to Big Five to go get flashlights? Since you talking shit.
this your car.
This for sure not my
This not your Kia? What that say right there?
This not the Kia.
What that say right there?
That shit on my eye. I'm blinded.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Shit on the Prius.
Hey, this was a little. We're gonna do another one of these for sure. For sure.
Stay in there 20 minutes next time.
Yeah, we're gonna go 20 minutes next time. On me.
Y'all talking all this.
I was down. As long as we had the flashlights.
I've been down. I've been said let's do this. You been
Man,
talking about
hey,
this
with
like
that
2
being
weeks
said,
ago.
man, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We live to see another day.
Yes, we survived.
Part 2 on the way, you feel me? We out.